watching Phones on George here with me guys. Today we are going to talk about the variant which is none other than Samsung Galaxy Note 2 out here. Yes. Talking about Samsung Galaxy Note 2, we can say that this was 2012 model and it was quite different from Note 10.1. Note 10.1 was actually having a very large size, but these Note series have a very quite compactable size. As well as these look like a phone. They look like phone. They look like a normal gadget out here. They do not look like a tab or a iPad. Now talking about this weighs about 180 to 185 grams. Yes, exact weight is 183 grams out here. As well as when we talk about Note series, we can say that Note series comes with a stylus with it. Yes, micro SIM and stylus are the main features of Note series, and that can be seen in the Note 2 as well. You will be able to see that stylus is also there. Having a screen size of 5.5 inches gives a very good display out there, a very good screen size out there, as well as when you have Super Almond cabinet touch screening, then it gives a very amazing functionality, vibration while touching, and a very good response to the audience. Whereas the resolution capacity could have been a better variant, but it's not bad. Having 267 ppi density goes well with the audience. Yes, you can have a good ppi density of 267 out there. As well as when we talk about the internal functions of this variant, when we talk about the internal functions, we cannot forget that it works well with the audience, that it has got Android 4 version in it, which is upgradable up to Android 4.4. Yes, you have Android 4.1 and that can be upgraded up to Android 4.4. So that's wonderful feature out here. As well as we can say that this works well with the collaboration of different chip systems. And when we talk about the chip system, we can say it works well with the Disco. This time Snapdragon is not collaborated with the Note series, but you can see Disco out here with a quad-core processor of 1.6 GHz. If we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got the expandability, which is required for the storage capacity of 16 GB, 32 GB, and 64 GB. Yes, these three variants require a different storage capacity, and you get to have different storage capacity also. Internally बात करें तो 16 GB है, 32 GB है, 64 GB है. You get to see these three variants out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, you get a constant RAM of 2 GB. Yes, 2 GB RAM is constant out here, so that's a wonderful feature out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a okay camera. It's not bad camera, and okay camera we can say. 8 megapixel rear camera along with 1.9 megapixel selfie camera. So capturing good quality offers a very good functionality, and Galaxy Note 2 offers you 8 megapixel and 1.9 megapixel cameras. So these works very well out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good quality of connectivity, accelerometer, as well as battery life. Yes, these things are offered very well out here. Connectivity की बात करें तो Wi-Fi हो, Bluetooth हो, NFS हो, these connectivities are good. Accelerometer हो, proximeter हो, diometer हो, compass, everything works very well out there. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you 4100 mAh battery. Now wondering what this 3100 mAh battery works for? Like, it gives you a talk time of 16 hours. Yes, 16 hours talk time for 3G variant. 3G variant, and that 16 hours is an incredible job out there. Whereas if you use 2G variant, then you can have 35 hours talk time, which is a super amazing thing out there. So moving on, we can say that this variant overall is a very good functional phone out here, which can be definitely tried out. Now talking about trying this variant, let us go to a site which offers you a great pricing for this. So this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae, where you get to have all your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates from these reputed companies. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. So I have written Note 2, and this is Note 2 out here. So seeing the results, we get to see a description box, which offers you all the specifications which we were discussing right now, as well as a condition which is called refurbished. We have heard about brand new, so let us know about refurbished also. So what is refurbished? Talking about refurbished products or brand new products, we can say that refurbished products are quite same or quite similar as a brand new. As the word itself says that refurbished means creating something new like this. Refurbished means creating something new like, and that can be seen out here in this word itself, that furbished is new like, and re means again, so something new like again we can say. Or we can also say that refurbished and brand new are very correlated out here. They are correlated. How they are correlated? They have the same structurality, functionalities, as well as they have the same criteria of tests. It clearly means मतलब जो brand new के लिए हम test include करते हैं वही test हम refurbished के लिए भी include करते हैं. Overall, we can say that this is one of the feature which is same as brand new and refurbished. Moving on, we can tell that refurbished and brand new crosses the same path but with slight difference. And the difference lies out as this is the major pathway out here, and this is how the difference lies. There is a base. We all have a base. Base can be anything out here, anything. It can be either your company user, anything. But base is originally the one which gives you a great amount of, you can say, structurality out there, or the base is something which helps you to know where that product has been originated out. Then comes the mediator, and the mediator is something which helps you to know about the place where it is being collaborated. मतलब base हो गया हमारा original place, अब उसके बाद कहाँ से हम इसे collect कर सकते हैं, from where we can collaborate with it or we can collect it. That is the mediator out here. And then comes the consumer. Consumers are like us or the company, anything who uses that gadget, that product out here. So that is the consumer out here. So talking about these three parameters, the brand new or the refurbished ones have a very slight difference. Base in brand new is the company, the original company out here which launches that product, that gadget in the market for the very first time. For the very first time it is being launched out here. And then the marketplace is the mediator. They launch into the market, then the marketplace has a lot of distributors out here. There are n number of distributors, n number of parameters out there. It is going, there's n number of, there's a big chain out here. So in short, we can say that marketplace is a mediator out here. Then comes the consumer, which are the users like us. We use that market product out here, that gadget from the company to the marketplace which has been launched. We use that. Whereas when we talk about refurbished, then this chain is slightly different. The difference lies out that the user in the brand new, the user for brand new car, the consumer becomes the base out here. Yes, the user becomes the base out here, and that gadget is pre-owned, that has been used once, that has that could be considered not like brand new, but brand new like, that could be like brand new but not brand new. So then it is again sent back to the mediator. There can be another different, this is a different marketplace now. This marketplace uses the pre-owned phones. These tests are done on a particular site out here, on a particular page, or we can say at a particular place all the tests are being done. जो टेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू के लिए अलग अलग जगह पे होते थे, the test which used to be done in number of sites, they are done at a particular site itself, or where the product has been given back or is exchanged out here. So that is the market. Now the tests have been done. Now it has been verified. It is ready to relaunch itself on that site with a new condition that is refurbished. So the new consumer is the new user who gets this gadget out there. जो gadget मिला है वो use करता है. This is what refurbished is all about. Now talking about refurbished, we can say that refurbished and brand new process the same parameters, like they have the same parameters which are in the external or internal factors. If we talk about the internal factors, there are like the operating system, processor out here, SIM recognition, data connectivity, data wiping, colorization out here. You can have your internal parts like CPU, GPU, NFS, infrared, code accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, everything which has been inbuilt in it, all the inbuilt processes out there. Whereas the external parameters includes the parameters which we see through our eyes or can be easily checked out, like these display, buttons, camera, audio, video, battery life, battery charger out here, scratches, color out there of the gadget or the design, the display, everything out there. जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, all the external factors. Now these external internal factors combines to have 29 parameters overall, big 29 parameters. They might have some parameters out there, check each and everything. Now when they have been checked, these are the same factors which we use in the brand new and in the refurbished. They are absolutely same. For brand new, what all we check? Specifications like what is the screen size, how is the display, how is the color of it, camera kaisa hai, audio is good or not, whether the SIM is good or not, SIM can be used out here or not, battery life, if battery is charging or not, camera quality, audio quality, connectivity is out here. Everything is same what we check in brand. Now when we are done with this checking, this testing out there, then gadget is given a certificate that has a quality check, that is premium quality and is good to service out there, and then it is certified and named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Anything, both the names are same, they both stand for the same certification. Then we can say that these are absolutely ready to go further use, and the consumer can now have this on the particular site they have tested out. Now moving on, what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new? Let us move ahead with that. Because there are few benefits which you get from refurbished products, like having your favorite gadget in a profitable rate. Yes, why we say so profitable rates? Generally, brand new products are quite expensive for most of the users and are not able to afford them. So the refurbished products, which are actually pre-owned ones, can be reused out here with the same condition which are being tested out, are absolutely newly like, but now they are in a profitable rate. Now they are in profitable rates. So these profitable rates allow you to have a savings. Yes, you get to have a saving also, and when we have savings, we can say that saving is great amount of here. Like savings plays a very important and vital role. We already know that brand new products have a warranty period, warranty life of 1 year, but we offer you refurbished products with 6 months warranty. Yes. Refurbished products usually have 6 months warranty out here, and you get to have that over here. As well as when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have 7 exchange policy. 7 exchange policies also has, so you can get your favorite product with 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, because if you do not find your product worth it and have not been checked, not verified out here, so you get to have exchange policy also. So let us go ahead and back to the site where we were talking about and see how is it different from other and whether it offers the same thing or not. So we are back on the site, and as we already know, the site name is Phone Zone. Phone itself, Phone Zone itself means it's a zone of phone or a place where abundance of phone can be seen out here. And talking about this variant, we can say that this is a category all mobile phone which offers you n number of brands out here. As well as we were talking about refurbished products, so we can see that this offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So you can guarantee that refurbished products have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping written over here. So you get to have free shipping and COD. Free shipping is like 48 hours delivery time for most parts of UAE, and within Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but most of the parts of UAE have 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website which has on the Google. You can type phonezone.ae, or you can go on the description link and check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.